reality TV star Tacha spark buzz with the removal of Afrobeat sensation Davido's tattoo from her chest. Gist Reel recalls that Tacha and Davido clashed online in early 2024, following a tweet from Tacha allegedly shading Davido amid petition scandal with Tiwa Savage. However, Davido intensified the situation by liking a tweet that shaded the reality TV star's personal hygiene, shattering her admiration for the Grammy-nominated singer. The Punch also reports that Tacha vowed to remove a tattoo of Davido's face drawn on her chest after they fell out late last year. True to her promise, in her latest tweet, Tacha shared a video of the removal process of Davido's tattoo from her chest. The video was accompanied by a caption that read, "You want the tea?" It's worth noting that Tacha got the tattoo of Davido on her chest prior to gaining widespread recognition from her participation in the Big Brother Naija Pepper Dem season. Although Davido issued an apology following the backlash she received, it wasn't enough to calm Tacha down, who tagged the apology as fake. In response, Davido went on to like a tweet that softly shaded Tacha. Tacha responded by berating him for setting Pina up for more dragging with his fake apology. Amid the altercation, a troll predicted Tacha's downfall as Davido isn't one to mess with. Tacha replied by reminding the troll that her career didn't end in 2019 after she was disqualified by Big Brother Naija, declaring that her altercation with Davido will be no different, as man is not God. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real updates on entertainment and lifestyle.